Lipids, natural products, and synthetic organic compound in agriculture. Agriculture has evolved significantly, and much of this progress is due to the contribution of lipids, natural products, and synthetic organic compounds. These substances has essential role in enhancing crop production, protecting plant, and improving soil health, ensuring food security for growing population. Lipids are important in agriculture, particularly in forms of oils and fat. Plant oils like soybeans or palm oil are essential not only as food sources but also as raw material for biodiesel production, promoting sustainable energy. Lipids are contribute to the development of agricultural spray and coating that protect crops from pests and diseases and environmental stresses. Their natural biodegradability ensure minimal harm to ecosystems, making them an environmentally friendly choice. Natural products derived from plants, microorganisms, and marine organisms have been used in agriculture for many years. Example includes neem oil, a plant-based pesticide, and pyrethroids from chrysanthemum flowers. These compounds provide effective alternatives to synthetic chemicals, reducing the environmental impact of farming. Additionally, biofer- biofertilizer and biopesticide made from natural products enhance soil fertility and plant health while preserving biodiversity. On the other hand, synthetic organic compounds have revolutionized modern agriculture. They are used in fertilizer, pesticide, herbicide to boost crop yields and control pests effectively. Lipids, natural product, and synthetic organic compound are indispensable in agriculture. While they each offer unique advantages, combining traditional and modern approaches ensures sustainable agriculture practices that support both productivity and environmental concerns.